Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it, and then tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner. Let me quickly remove the photo, so this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on the circle or add picture, and here we've got some sections from which you can choose the photo from. So device photos, where you can open the camera app immediately, so you can take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. The gallery, so you can choose something from your own files. Google Photos, so here you've got basically the backed up photos, and illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online if you've got the Google account added, so you can find some kind of photos and illustrations which you can set as a photo contact. It is extremely useful, especially if you do not have the photo of this person who you'd like to customize the contact for. So simply find the I will choose something from those options, so let me tap maybe on this one. So in those Dalmatian puppies, here you've got some kind of preset, so you can change the colors, which are available right here, and you can quickly drop it, so do something like it, and it looks literally the same as if you will choose something from your own photos from the gallery. So here you can change the position of the photo, you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose, and tap on save in the right upper corner. And here we've got our contact saved, so of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.